Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great morning. So for this video, I'm going to go through what I've kind of referred to as the front end part of the golf swing, and I'm going to go over a resource that is going to be, in my opinion, extremely helpful to your golf game. You can see I'm on this website called mytpi.com. TPI stands for Titleist Performance Institute. So for those of you that are familiar with, the game of golf, Titleist is a pretty big name in the game of golf. Titleist Performance Institute is the biggest golf fitness regiment or organization on the planet. So if you go to Improve My Game, you're going to see these two options. That's what we're going to focus on. Swing characteristics, drills, and exercises. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. This is going to give you a list of the most common swing characteristics that are ruining your golf game. So let's just say C posture. So you're rounding your back a little bit too much. It's going to give you a breakdown video. It's going to give you some kind of anatomical traits associated with it. Okay, and then down at the bottom, it's going to give you some exercises to do. So super helpful tool. So if you have the awareness of what you're doing wrong in your swing, let's say you're hitting a bunch of slices, you're coming over the top. This is the one I tend to look at because I am an early extender, but let's say you're coming over the top, you can just click here. Go down to the exercises if you want to watch the videos. First, you can go down the exercises and kind of start implementing those exercises into your daily regimen. So if you're kind of unsure what your swing characteristic is that you're messing up on, and you just want to look for some drills and exercises to do, they have thousands of drills and exercises. Some are like golf specific drills, and then others are actual exercises to improve your golf fitness. So when it comes to the front end part, we've kind of got two parts to it, right? You've got the golf swing, the mechanics of the golf swing, but you also have the fitness associated with having a solid golf swing. So in certain muscle areas, you're going to have mobility, stability, and flexibility to swing the golf club correctly. So TPI is really an invaluable resource for you. I would highly encourage you to take advantage of this free resource.